I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging so your computer can communicate. Install Android SDK platform tools and confirm a DB recognizes the phone with a DB devices. Once done, unlock the phone and accept the RSA authorization prompt. This allows full DB sessions. Make sure the battery is above 50% and use a quality USB cable, because unstable connections will abort backups. You will now run the backup command, a DB backup all F full backup. Add and optionally add app and shared to include apps and media. When the device shows a backup confirmation dialog, choose an encryption password if you want protection and tap backup my data. Once the AB file finishes, convert it to a tar using Android Backup Extractor ABE, jar unpack full backup, AB full backup, tar so you can inspect or extract individual files. If conversion fails, try a different Java runtime version. Finally, verify the backup. Extract the tar to a temporary folder and confirm app data and key files are present. To restore, use a DB restore full backup. AB and follow on-device prompts, or flash a TWRP Nandroid image for a complete system rollback. Make sure to keep backups on encrypted external storage and multiple locations. If the process fails or a DB reports permission errors, use recovery-based Nandroid backups or, on rooted phones, pull /data with rsync. This is the key troubleshooting path when a DB backup is blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.